In this video, we will show you how to replace your front sway bar bushings. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is safely raise and support the front of the vehicle so you can make your way along each side of the frame. Locate your sway bar. You'll find that you have two studs that come down from the frame that have 15mm nuts holding this bracket in place. Remove the pair from one side of the vehicle and then make your way over to the other side and do the exact same thing. Remove your bracket, give it a quick inspection. Once you've done that, continue on to removing the bushing. What you'll notice is on your original bushing, they do not have a slot in any way to take this off of the bar. Just go ahead and cut that bushing right off of there. Once you've done that, we can get ready to install our brand new bushings. We want to pay attention to the orientation because on the new bushings, you can tell that they have a nice slot for easy installation. But when you install it, it's a good idea to have the slot facing towards the rear of the vehicle. So as moisture makes its way up into this area, it doesn't make its way into the groove. We'll apply a thin amount of grease to this area. Continue on by installing the bushing. Go ahead and spread it and put it in position. Work that grease in. Once it's on there, it's time to reinstall each of the brackets. For the brackets, go ahead and apply a little bit of lubricant to them. Take that and slide it in position over the bushing, and then press this up and onto the studs. Once it's up there, install both of your nuts. Let's bottom these out. After they're snug, torque them to 46 foot-pounds. Okay friends, we showed you how to install your front sway bar bushings. At this point, lower your car back down to the ground, take it for a road test, and make sure you don't hear any funny noises. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.